It's time for me to get rid of all this thread because I'm bored. Fingers crossed I won't fry my hair, and hopefully I'm not jinxing it. I'm gonna use this. It's from Sias. It's up to 9 levels of lifting. Hopefully it's gonna lift the red from my hair. It's coming with this, that it's, let me see if we have English over here. No, we don't. What's this? Let me find out. Yeah. A fixing lotion, a conditioner. This is it's a powder. Yeah, it's a powder that you mix in this with the decolorant cream. That is this. Those three mixed together are looking like this. So the smell and the instructions and a pair of gloves. Of course I'm not gonna use the instructions. Who am I kidding? I've read them already, and I have some on my table. Okay, so it's all applied. I'm gonna verify my hair in 30 minutes, and if it's okay, I'm gonna wash it, and if not, I'm gonna let it sit for 15 more minutes. So it's gonna be a 45-minute processing time. I don't know if I'm gonna remake my money piece over here. See you after I've washed my hair.
One eternity later.
Well, the red came out. And don't mind my towel. It's the one that I use when I do things to my hair. And I'm gonna need to blow dry it. I'll be right back. Oh, I don't think you're ready to see this color on me, but here she is. It's very pink. It's not damaged. I mean, it's still very, very fluffy, very, very soft. I still have a lot of movement in it. Yes, over here. And underneath, it's almost blonde. If you can see, because it stayed the whole process. But I don't mind. Over here as well. I am happy because it turned out like this, even over here on the bottom layer, because I know that I can get a pretty white hair very soon. It's I didn't expect to be this color. And I know that if I tried to get this specifically color, I wouldn't get it. I mean, I love it. I love it so much. Got into my natural hair and have a little bit of a spot, a blonde spot. But I don't care. I don't know how it looks in the back. I really don't know. Oh, I hope it's not a disaster. See you next time. Okay, bye.